everyone, I am Alok Kumar Sinha. Today I will make you understand the Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem and how it can be proved. So let us see carefully. First, the statement: if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So this is the statement of Thales theorem. Now understand how it can be proved and what is the theorem. We have to prove in a triangle. Suppose that ABC is a triangle. A, B, C. A line is parallel to BC. Take a line parallel to BC. Suppose that this line is DE. DE. So, in triangle ABC, if DE is parallel to BC, then we have to prove that AD by DB equal to AE by EC. AD by DB equal to AE by EC. So this is the theorem. We have to prove that. Now we are going to prove it. The proof of this theorem, we need to draw a triangle. Let us see. A line parallel to one side. Suppose that this line is parallel to BC. Name it as A, B, C, and DE is parallel to BC. For the proof, we need some construction. So we draw construction, join B to E and C to D, and also draw a perpendicular from D to side AC and from E to side AB. DF perpendicular to AC and EG perpendicular to AB. So we write given in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. To prove, as we see earlier, AD by DB, AD by DB equal to AE by EC. AE by EC, and write the construction we have drawn. Join B to E and C to D. Also, EG perpendicular AB and DF perpendicular on AC. So now we are going to prove it. Proof. For this, we need to find ratio of area of triangle ADE and BDE. So here we go. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE equal to, we know that area of the triangle 1 by 2 base into height. So we apply the formula here. 1 by 2 base is AD into height is EG by 1 by 2 base is DB and height is also EG. So we cancel 1 by 2, EG and EG, we get AD by DB. See here, in triangle ADE, base is AD and height is EG. Similarly, for triangle BDE, base is BD and height is also EG because it is on extended part of BD. Now, similarly, we find the ratio of area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CED equal to 1 by 2 into base. We take from AC side AE into height DF by 1 by 2 into base EC and same height as above DF. Again cancel 1 by 2, DF and DF, we get AE by EC. So above ratio take at is equation 1 and take it as equation 2. Now see in the figure, we clearly see that in triangle BDE and CED, they have same base DE and on between same parallel lines DE and BC. So we know that the triangle having same base and between same parallels are equal in area. So we can write it as, since since triangle BDE and triangle CED are on same base DE and between same parallel lines DE and BC. So we can write area of triangle BDE equal to area of triangle CED. So we can write equation 2 as equation 2 becomes as area of triangle ADE by area of triangle. We replace area of triangle CED with area of triangle BDE. As we see above, triangle BDE equal to AE by EC. This is considered as equation 3. Now from equation 1 we see that area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE equal to AD by DB, and in equation 3 it is also area of ADE by area of BDE equal to AE by EC. So LHS are equal, therefore RHS must be equal. So from equation 1 and 3 we conclude that AD by DB equal to AE by EC. This is the proof of theorem.